You heard the man.
All right, hello, my name is Salehe Bembury, and what's your YouTube channel? Just say subscribe to Sam. Subscribe to Sam!
So my latest pickup isn't a sneaker this time, it's actually a book by American footwear designer Salehe Bembury. I managed to meet him and get my copy signed thanks to Dover Street Market London. It's a collection of his key designs from 15 years of work, with sketches, samples, plus his experience of working with brands like New Balance, Crocs, Puma, Versace, Yeezy, and more. The pictures are really cool and is a nice addition to my small sneaker book collection. I like to keep a few books nearby for inspiration and references when I make these type of unboxings, or just to have a look at shoes that I wish I had. It retails for £45 and I saw that you can grab these for £33 on Amazon, so I'll say give it a try. He also displays some of his upcoming Spunge OSMOSIS sneakers. I had a hands-on look on the Malawi, Mung, Yukon, and the more toned down collab with publishers Rizzoli. And no, he didn't say when they were gonna come out, I did ask. But when they do, I'll definitely be picking up my Malawi colorway. Let me know what colorway you prefer, and as usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment copy to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day. Also, ignore my cute bookmark, I'm really a gangster, this is just behind the scenes.